Hello, everyone. So, quick video here. We did have a school board meeting last night, and the board did approve our proposed plan for the start of the school year. And with that comes the language, masks will be optional with the exception of riding the bus to and from school. In addition to that, in the email that went out with this video link, you have a link to a start of the year COVID-19 information letter. So feel free to look at that. That will include symptoms for COVID. Please asking you not to send your child to school if they have any new or unexplained symptoms of COVID-19. And some more information to include the state's guidance to practice and promote that all students and staff get vaccinated for those who are eligible. PA school goals, I talked a little bit about those last time. Work hard, be respectful, be a Spartan. And today I just want to touch briefly on the be a Spartan part, and that's really, if nothing else, consider that an invitation for students to really take part in everything that Pembroke Academy has to offer, be involved in co-curriculars, whether that be interscholastic sports or clubs. And we have a lot of clubs here for all students, but the saying goes, you get out of it what you put into it, and that is very true for high school. The students that are more involved in things really get a lot out of the high school experience, and graduate with a wealth of experiences that they can draw upon in their post-high school life. All right, the summer newsletter that went out, you can certainly take a look at that, and there are a bunch of other links in that email to include a daily bell schedule, so everyone will know what the bell schedule looks like. It hasn't changed, but if you want to print out a copy of that for students, if you want to print that out and have that, or take a picture of it and have it in your photos on your phone, that's actually a pretty good idea. There's also a school calendar link, so you can take a look at that and see what days are off, whether that be for a holiday or a professional workshop day. And then there's also a list of general course supplies. So those wouldn't give specific information about like this teacher wants this, but every teacher that teaches, let's say, global studies wants you to make sure that you have these things for that class. So take a look at that, and those are things that you can get at Dollar Tree, Target, whatever, and then you'll just have them ahead of time before the mad rush. Okay, so Chromebook distribution is going to occur on August 30th. That is Monday, the first day of school, and those will be distributed in advisories. Two last public service announcements. The first one is that traffic is pretty challenging, particularly at the beginning of the year. So I highly encourage you to give yourself more time to get here. Try to come a little early, at least for the first 2 or 3 weeks. I get here around 6:30, 6:40. I never have any traffic. I'm not suggesting that you have to come that early, but obviously it gets progressively worse the closer you get to 7:30. So just kind of plan ahead, and that goes on the other end for dismissal as well. And the other public service announcement is that we are going to have our open house for Pembroke Academy from 5:30 to 7 on Tuesday, September 14th. And that will, for those of you that have attended a Pembroke Academy open house in the past, that is going to be a little different in terms of format this year. We're not going to have a bell schedule and have parents kind of walk through their student schedule. It will be more of a drop-in format with an opportunity to kind of introduce everyone starting at 5:30. So we'll introduce everyone, and then teachers will go off to their classes and their classrooms, and parents can drop in and say hello at that time. Okay? All right, I think that's it. I'm going to now hand this off to Mr. Rich, who is one of our new math teachers. Thank you. Go PA and have a great day.
Hi, my name's Brandon. Brandon Rich. I'm really excited about joining the Pembroke Academy crew. I'll be joining the math department. I love math. There's a beauty to it that I think a lot of people neglect to recognize, and one of my favorite things is when people suddenly recognize that the math is in the world around them, and they see it for the beautiful truth that it is, rather than the boring numbers on the page that they used to think it was. So many people tend to think that they're either a math person or not a math person, and I disagree. I think that anyone could be a math person. They just tend to have the wrong teacher. They haven't had that right teacher yet, and I want to be that correct teacher. This will be my first year at Pembroke Academy, but it's not my first year teaching. I have 1 year behind me, although that's the kind of year you don't really forget. It was this last one, we all know. There was a mix of remote, hybrid, full year, full in-person learning throughout the year, and it really was for me, because I was thrown into it, it was a fake it till you make it and figure it out as we go type of year. I was plunged right into the deep end, told to learn how to swim. I think I managed to tread water until the summer came and rescued me. It was not easy. It wasn't how I envisioned my first year going, but I had to go to survive, and honestly, I think it helped me a lot. I'm really excited to see how year 2 is going to go. Outside of the classroom, I do enjoy a few hobbies. For the past 16 years, I've been a martial artist. I have my 4th degree black belt in karate, and before teaching math as Mr. Rich, I was teaching karate as Sensei Brandon. I'm also a musician. I initially enrolled in a music performance program in college with the goal of becoming a professional jazz bassist. I changed career paths, but the bass will always be a passion of mine. I do thoroughly enjoy gaming, both of the board game and video game variety. I have an ever-growing collection of board games in my closet and an impossibly large collection of video games in my Steam library, most of which I'll probably never get to play. There's way too many of them. And as you can see behind me, I'm surrounded by a massive, totally not green screen library. I do love to read. I don't know what these books are, but I do love to read. That's about it from me for today, and I look forward to seeing what the school year is going to bring. Thank you so much.